Morning all of you. Today we have to go for the revision chapter 1, the daffodil. Here are some hard words. First, wandered, had taken a walk. Valleys, margin, sideline of a thing. Bay, a part of coast where the land curves inward. Joker, cheerful. Pensive, thoughtful. Solitude, state of being alone, especially when this is the peaceful and pleasant. Happiness, often. Here are some objective questions. Take the right answers. The writers are golden daffodils. The daffodils were thousands. The poet compared the daffodil with waves. The poet's heart filled with pleasure. Here are some words. Give below are some words from the poem. Read them and then write down their rhymes words in set of 2. I was give you in your copy work, so you have to learn it very carefully. Okay, everybody. Then you have to go for the suitable words in the blank form. Okay. The poets are what is see? The poets are crowd. Okay. Is it? Here are some questions. Good morning. Today we start our revision work. Chapter 1, the daffodil. Here are some hard words. First, wandered, had taken a walk, wealth, valley, margin, sideline of things, bay, a part of coast where the land curves inwards, jocund, cheerful, pensive, thoughtful, solitude, state of being alone, especially when this is peaceful and pleasant, glee, happiness, often. Then some to right answers. The writers are golden daffodils. The daffodils were thousands. The poet compared the daffodils with waves. The poet's heart filled with pleasure. Then here some words you have to learn in your copy. I'll give you. So please you have to learn it. Cloud, trees, sign, way, dance, way, thought, life, filth, moods. Okay. So please learn with copy work. Then complete each of the following statement using suitable words from the poem. The poet saw dash when he was walking lonely as a cloud, golden daffodils. The daffodils were flirting and dancing in the breezy. They were stretched dash in a number of 10,000 gallons, never ending. Okay. The poet had thought of wealth. Wealth is according for not money, it's for the good health, good happiness, and the cheerful and our thoughtful things and the pleasant. Okay. Then the poet had thought of wealth. When in a vacant or pensive mood, the poet saluted. Is it you have to go through the word power, then you have to easily answer for this pensive mood, for the vacant or pensive mood, the poets. Okay, then you have to choose the solitude. Okay, it is the meaning of state of being alone, especially within the peaceful and pleasant. So when in a vacant or pensive mood, the poet saluted. Okay. The poet compared the daffodil with pleasure, खुशी. Okay, खुशी से भरा था. Then the answer these questions you have to go through the copy work. Then you have to learn it. Okay, everybody, please revise and learn it carefully with the spellings also. Okay. Then stay safe and please follow the guidelines. Okay.